Hey, what's up, students? How are you? I think you are all good. Today I will teach you how to make a number pyramid pattern using Java programming. Let's code. First, we are importing the Java package and then we are creating a class number pyramid and then basic syntax public static void main, and we are inputting the scanner class, and we are giving the user input, the user inputting the value how much they want, and then system out dot print, and then enter the number of rows, how many rows they want, and then we are giving the outer loop and I initializing 1, and then n तक जाएगा वो एंड i इंक्रीज होता रहेगा. फर्स्ट वी आर प्रिंटिंग द स्पेस कि उनके बीच में स्पेस आना चाहिए पहले स्टार्टिंग में 1 2 2 3 3 लाइक दैट, एंड देन इन we are making the inner loop, and then we are giving the first printing the space, and then we are printing the number for int I j equals to j, I तक चलेगा जब तक प्रिंट होगा, and j इंक्रीज होता रहेगा, and then we are printing the I plus, and then we are giving the some space and execute. Then next line print ln, and then execute this program. Let's see, there is some problem. Oh, there is scanner capital S, and then execute, and we are entering 5. Look at this, 1 2 3 4, and then we are giving 10. Look at this, there is 10 difference because some spacing like that. Thanks.